Hello, I'm Arad, a financial management graduate trainee at Hyfforddai University Health Board and coming to the end of the third year of the programme. The graduate scheme has been a great opportunity to gain a broad understanding and invaluable experience within NHS Wales Finance through a variety of work placement experiences with various teams and stakeholders, and alongside this, studying for the ACCA qualification. The first year of the scheme was a great opportunity to gain the basic knowledge and insight of some of the pivotal roles within NHS finance, such as financial accounting, management accounting, capital accounting, and procurement. From this, I developed a broad understanding of the wider finance function and the linkages between various teams and areas within finance as well. The second year of the scheme was a great opportunity to work with service areas and apply the finance knowledge from the first year to the wider context and service offering of Hyfforddai. Placements included business partnering and costing and value, which offered the opportunity to work with a variety of stakeholders across the service. Also, as part of the second year, was an external placement with Powys Teaching Health Board to gain an understanding of the finance operations within a different health board. This was a great opportunity to work with finance colleagues across Wales and learn more about the various challenges and opportunities facing NHS Wales. The third year of the scheme has been an opportunity to develop greater insight of the wider political environment surrounding NHS Wales. Placements with corporate reporting and financial planning and delivery within NHS Executive was a great opportunity to understand the relationship between NHS Wales and Welsh Government. Overall, the scheme has been a great opportunity, and I have gained and developed invaluable skills and experiences, which I'm really looking forward to applying to future roles within NHS Finance.